Hello, English learners. This is Reena Makijani from eClub. Are you tired of forgetting new English words right after you learn them? Today, I'm sharing a powerful 3-second memory technique used by polyglots that will help you remember any new vocabulary forever. Here's the problem. Most people try to memorize words by simple repetition. But our brains don't work that way. We need connections. Here's the 3-second technique. Number one, say the new word aloud. Number two, create a vivid mental image connecting the word to something you already know. And the third step is use the word immediately in a personal sentence. Let's try it with the word meticulous, which means extremely careful and precise. Say meticulous aloud. Imagine something using tweezers to carefully arrange grains of rice in a perfect pattern. And the third step, create your sentence. I'm meticulous about organizing my study notes. Let's try this technique with another example with the word ambiguous, which means unclear or open to interpretation. Step 1, say ambiguous aloud. Step 2, picture a fork in the road with blurry, unclear signs pointing in both directions. Step 3, use it in a sentence of your own. The teacher's instructions were ambiguous, so I wasn't sure what to do. This works because you are creating multiple neural pathways to the same information: sound, image, and personal context, all in just 3 seconds. Now, here's a challenge for you. Use this technique to learn 3 new words today and comment below with the words you choose. Follow eClub for more game changing English learning hacks. New videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. See you in the next video.